Podcast 2. Master Social Media with AI. How to use ChatGPT for content creation. Hey everyone, and welcome to Talk Sense, where we break down the latest tech trends and tools to help you work smarter, not harder. I'm your host, Ubby, and today, we're diving into one of the hottest AI tools out there, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Specifically, we'll explore how you can leverage ChatGPT for social media content creation. Whether you're a social media manager, content creator, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to boost your online presence, this episode is for you. We'll walk through practical tips on how to use ChatGPT to write engaging posts, craft creative captions, and even streamline your content strategy. By the end of this episode, you'll have all the tools you need to start using ChatGPT to supercharge your social media game. Let's get started. Segment 1. Introduction to ChatGPT. So, what is ChatGPT exactly? In simple terms, it's an AI model developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text based on prompts you give it. You type something in, and ChatGPT responds, whether it's answering questions, generating ideas, or even crafting full pieces of content. But how does this apply to social media? Well, imagine never having to deal with the dreaded writer's block when creating posts or captions. ChatGPT can help you generate creative content ideas, write compelling copy, and save hours you'd otherwise spend staring at a blank screen. Today, we're going to break down how you can use ChatGPT in 3 key areas for social media: generating engaging post ideas, writing catchy captions, optimizing your content strategy with AI insights. Let's kick things off by talking about how ChatGPT can help you come up with social media post ideas. Segment 2. Using ChatGPT to generate post ideas. One of the most time-consuming parts of managing social media is coming up with new and engaging post ideas. Whether it's for Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook, keeping your content fresh can be a challenge. But with ChatGPT, you can easily generate a variety of content ideas within minutes. Here's how. Start by giving ChatGPT a simple prompt like, "Give me 5 Instagram post ideas for a fitness brand." ChatGPT will then create a list of post suggestions, such as a motivational quote paired with a high-energy workout photo, a time-lapse video showing a quick workout routine, an infographic on the benefits of staying hydrated during workouts, a carousel of before and after fitness transformations, a poll asking followers about their favorite workout time, morning or evening. This is where ChatGPT really shines. It doesn't just give generic ideas, but rather ones tailored to your niche or industry. You can refine this by providing more specific details in your prompt. For example, give me 5 Instagram post ideas for a fitness brand targeting women in their 30s. This way, you can get highly personalized suggestions that fit your audience's demographics and interests. And here's a tip. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas based on trending topics or themes. For instance, you could type, "What are some Instagram post ideas for Earth Day for a beauty brand?" This way, you can capitalize on trending moments while still staying relevant to your brand. Segment 3. Crafting engaging captions with ChatGPT. Alright, now let's move on to one of the most important aspects of social media: captions. A well-crafted caption can be the difference between someone scrolling past your post and stopping to engage. Writing captions that are engaging, creative, and on-brand can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're posting frequently. That's where ChatGPT can save the day. Let's say you've got a great photo ready to post, but you're stuck on the caption. You could prompt ChatGPT with something like, "Write a catchy Instagram caption for a picture of a cup of coffee with the caption highlighting its calming effect." Within seconds, ChatGPT might generate something like, "Sipping my way to serenity, 1 cup at a time. Hot beverage #morning ritual #caffeine fix #chill vibe." But you can take it even further by being more specific. For example, write a fun, playful Instagram caption for a picture of a coffee cup, targeting young professionals. You'll get responses tailored to your target audience. Perhaps something like, "Fuel for the hustle. Hot beverage because Mondays are easier with caffeine. #work hard play hard #morning motivation." If the first response isn't quite what you were looking for, you can always regenerate it or refine your prompt. Say something like, "Make the caption a bit shorter. or add a pun to the caption, ChatGPT adapts to your instructions, making it flexible and easy to use. This flexibility is especially useful for those managing multiple social media platforms. You can ask ChatGPT to write variations of the same caption to fit the tone and character limits of different platforms, say, a concise one for Twitter and a more detailed version for Facebook. Segment 4. Content Strategy Optimization with ChatGPT. Now that we've tackled post ideas and captions, let's talk about how ChatGPT can support your overall content strategy. Building a consistent, engaging presence on social media requires more than just creating one-off posts. You need a strategy that aligns with your brand's goals, engages your audience, and uses the right messaging. ChatGPT can be an amazing brainstorming partner for this. For example, if you're managing social media for a fashion brand and need a month's worth of content, you can ask ChatGPT, "Give me a content calendar for a fashion brand on Instagram for the month of November." It could respond with a detailed plan like, Week 1, new winter collection reveal. Week 2, behind-the-scenes photos of a photo shoot. Week 3, user-generated content from customers wearing your products. Week 4, holiday fashion inspiration with a focus on accessories. You can refine these ideas based on your own brand's voice and strategy. ChatGPT also helps you stay consistent by ensuring that your content aligns with key events, seasons, or promotions. Want to promote a product launch? Ask ChatGPT for content ideas leading up to the launch, and it'll provide you with suggestions like countdown posts, teaser videos, and influencer collaborations. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to analyze and adjust your strategy as you go. If a certain post didn't perform well, try feeding ChatGPT data from your analytics and ask for suggestions. For example, suggest ways to improve engagement on my recent posts about eco-friendly beauty products. Based on the input, ChatGPT could offer suggestions such as, run a poll, ask followers about their favorite eco-friendly ingredients, highlight user testimonials, share real stories of customers who love your products, use a behind-the-scenes video, show how your products are made, focusing on sustainability. These actionable insights can guide your content decisions and help you pivot quickly to what works. Segment 5. Practical tips for using ChatGPT efficiently. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share a few practical tips for using ChatGPT efficiently. Be specific. The more detailed your prompts, the better the output. Instead of asking, "Give me a caption," try something like, "Give me a funny Instagram caption for a travel post in Paris." Refine your tone. ChatGPT can adapt to different tones, playful, professional, or casual. Specify the tone you want in your prompts to get the right result. Use it for research. Beyond writing, you can use ChatGPT to help brainstorm content ideas based on popular trends, holidays, or niche topics relevant to your industry. Experiment. Don't be afraid to play around with different prompts. The beauty of ChatGPT is that you can generate multiple options in seconds, so explore different angles and creative possibilities. And there you have it, folks. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for writing and content creation, especially when it comes to managing social media. It's like having an extra team member on board who's ready to help at a moment's notice, whether you need post ideas, captions, or content strategy support. If you haven't already, I highly recommend trying out ChatGPT to streamline your social media workflow. Start small, experiment with different prompts, and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to TalkSense and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what AI tools you're using to stay productive. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, keep optimizing and stay productive. You can also let me know in the comments the topics on which you need me to create an informative podcast next time. Bye-bye and take care. See you soon with the new exciting topic.